because I'm not gonna chill until somebody. Let's go. 9, 6, 6.
On July 2nd, 2024, Sylvania Police responded to a disorderly conduct call at Flower Hospital regarding a patient causing chaos. That patient, Joseph Ochoa, was already out of control when officers arrived. As soon as police approached, Joseph slammed his drink on the ground, yelled, "Let's go," and attempted to enter a police cruiser. Officers quickly detained him, noting he reeked of alcohol. But once inside the cruiser, things got worse. Ochoa began screaming racial slurs, violently banging his head against the police cruiser. Let's take a closer look.
What are you doing?
Go.
Back up. Step it up.
Let's go.
Go where?
Get me the fuck out of here. I need to go to a hospital. I got gangrene.
Step it up.
Let's go.
Get out of my car. Don't you start bossing people around.
My hand's broke. Infected. I have a fever. I got red flag here. I can't be served. Pink slip. Joseph Andres Ochoa.
Grab him. All right. Relax. You're only being detained. You're not being arrested.
I need to go to a hospital. Can't serve me in a pink slip. At St. Vincent's or somewhere else.
Hold on. Just, hey.
Yep.
You got this stuff.
I'm not hurt you. I was trying to unlock the door to get in.
Well, you went about it the wrong way.
Yeah, well, I got GTA unlocked cheat code.
All right. Right now you're being detained. You're not under arrest. But I don't like the way you came up to me. Just set him down in the back of your car.
All right.
868 dispatch. I got one detained.
You got anything on you?
Oh, there's nothing in
He
my
dropped
pocket.
this. He throws down his pop. He's like, "Let's go." I thought he meant "Let's fight."
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So I'm like, "All right." Well, so I started backing up a little bit,
Thanks, buddy.
and he goes to the back door and tries to open the car. I'm like, so I went like this because I'm like, "Fuck, I don't know what this guy's got."
Joseph?
What?
I'm Sergeant Thompson.
Hi, Sergeant Thompson. My grandpa's Raymond L. Wills, Sergeant Major of the Army.
Ah, very nice. Very nice.
What would you like to tell me? I'm trying to go to the hospital. My hand's broken, infected.
I'm trying to figure out what the first interaction was with the sheriff's department.
I don't give I need a. They have a heater. Their line's too long. I need to leave. I have to make a scene. I need to leave. She stole all my shit. I got 20 days eviction. She didn't pay shit.
Any narcotics or anything?
I need to leave. No, I haven't got no narcotics for my hand. I don't take any pain medicine. It's infected for 6 days. I need to go to a hospital or jail. See my medical, not here, and nobody listens. So get me out of this car. Or take me somewhere, because I'm not going to chill until somebody takes me somewhere.
Well, there's a felony. Yep, now you're going to jail.
Let's go then. Let's go. What up? 9, 6, 6. I'll be cool if I can get some food. That's all. At county.
Food down there?
Yeah, a meal that's bad or not. I don't care. If I'm not, I'm gonna somebody up. That's not one of you guys. Another inmate. Somebody's getting whooped. Not a guard. I'm gonna break my hand more and get another charge, and I got a baby on the way, and that's a felony to assault somebody. So I just got a 2 to 8 years, and I'm going to jail with Cruz.
Have you ever been there before, Joe?
Yeah, I've been there.
You know what to expect?
Yeah, I'm Gucci, I'm straight. 2 hits, I'm registered. Calm down for 10-15 minutes and get food, because I can't talk. I don't want to be questioned. I'm in there for spitting on a cop. I'm not going to spit on nobody. Ugh.
Hey, Joseph, what's your current address, man?
109 North Harefoot, You got 25 days to get out.
109 what? What is it?
109 North Airfoot, Toledo, Ohio 43615. My card says Oregon, Ohio 6080, Colchester, Raymond Andres Ochoa Senior's house. But my current address, they gave me the piece of paper, but I don't have it because they stole it. That said my change of address. You know the one I'm talking about when you get it from the license bureau. The piece of paper that goes with the ID. Yeah, I don't know what they did with it. Or my license or anything. I don't know. I'm going to see Cruz, even if they separate us. You snooze, you'll lose. I'll give you the blues. And now you want the clues. I'm a real gangster, I don't snitch. Signing my plea deal. 5 years, 6 years, 8 years, 1 year. Everybody cheers. Going to prison. I'm not getting out, getting at least 2. And I'll run my foul mouth. And I want my earring on the fucking floor so I ain't doing shit. Because if I'm respectful, you'll respectfully get my earring and put it in my bag. Sorry, I kind of like just read out, listen to Don't Worry, Be Happy, Bob McFarlane.
You got your stuff in the back, your cell phone.
Yeah, hey, listen to,
What's all back there?
yeah, I got like 6 vapes in the weed pen. They're pretty good, they calm me down.
Hey Joseph, so we're here, okay?
Yes, sir, no problems.
There's gonna be a few of us out there to help you get in.
We're good.
I know you talked about you want to just get settled in and get some food and stuff. The
Yeah.
best way to do that would just be chill out and
Wait for dinner.
You know what I mean? Yeah. If you come out here and cause problems and arguing and all that, it's gonna delay the time you get.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Yep, yes,
So
sir.
The best move would just be to just roll in there. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
All right, you got it, buddy. Thank you.
Hey, my earring fell on the floor, sir.
And once you get out and you get settled in, I'll try to grab that for you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You guys gonna unbuckle me? Sir, Kylak, Deputy Kylak, are you guys gonna unbuckle me? Or you can talk freely.
Get him in and we come back and get his stuff? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah, get me in first. You guys take care of it. Respectfully. I got an assault. I spit on a cop.
Joseph Ochoa was arrested and transported to Lucas County Jail, facing charges after his belligerent behavior, racist outbursts, and assault on officers. But remember, everyone is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Was his arrest justified, or was something else at play? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I might have to put you in the back of my car next.